Hi, I am Paul. I will be introducing you to our listing today. The main level has so many features: private study with double doors, a spacious kitchen, and a formal dining room, and this is the cozy living room. This eat-in kitchen overlooks a beautiful family room, giving the perfect open concept for families. I mean, who wouldn't want this entertaining room? Let's head upstairs. The upper level features 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 full baths. I could be here all day. Exit from your beautiful kitchen onto your patio overlooking 2 acres of landscape. Come see our extravagant listing in person.